Guys, welcome back. It is Aviation Week. We're here with one of our crafts, but this one's a little different because we can play with our thing when we're done. We're going to make some paper airplanes. Now these aren't the ones that we're making. These are two that I made. I looked up this one on YouTube and followed the instructions. So if you want to make different ones, you can do that. This one is supposed to have the world record for the longest flight. And this one is a glider. I just remembered how to make that. So we're gonna start off. We're gonna make a glider and a long flyer. So for the glider, you're gonna start off with a sheet of paper like this. And you can cut these out. We're gonna make it onto cardstock though. Cut that out. After I've cut these two out, I'm going to trace them onto a piece of cardstock. And the cardstock is just a little bit heavier paper. So I'm going to put it right against the edge. And it's pretty much just the whole length. So then I'm going to take the shorter one, put it against the edge. So if you have the pieces of paper going up and down on the piece of cardstock, you can probably get 4 gliders out of one sheet of paper. Okay. So trim this up just a little bit. Alright. So then we're going to make 2 hoops. So I'm going to fold this over onto itself like this. I'm going to use a little bit of glue and then some tape to help hold it. Do the same thing with the little one. And we're going to tape it to a straw. Cut the straw right where the bend is, where the flexible part is. And then I'm going to tape this. So we're taping the small one at one end right up to the end. And then we're going to turn around and do the same thing with the front. So it looks like that. Alright. That's the first one. Then our next one is we're going to make a regular airplane. So you're going to take a regular sheet of paper and you're just going to fold it in half. The long ways. So like this. Open it up. And you're going to take this corner and fold it into the center. So you take it like that and fold it down. Now I'm going to do the same thing on this side. So those two corners, fold it down. Now I'm going to take this piece and fold it into the center. So this piece that was this point right here folds into the center. Looks like that. So now I'm going to take this point and fold it to the center. Good crease in those. So this is where you should be now. So now we're going to fold our plane back in half. And then this part is going to fold down to make the wing of the plane. Okay. Fold them up. And if you'd like, put a little fold out here on the edge of the wings. Stabilize it. And there you go. That's all there is for our paper airplane. Have a good time, guys, and have fun flying them. And like I said, if you want to learn how to make some other ones, you can go on YouTube, and there's plenty of videos to do that. Thanks, guys.